What's up, beautiful people? This is Mike from My Gadgets World, and today's video we are doing the unboxing for the LG OLED G1 Evo, the gallery design model. This particular one we have it in 65 inches, and we're gonna be doing in this video the unboxing, wall mounting, and initial impressions, and going through the different picture modes and settings. So stay tuned for that, and make sure to hit the like on this video, and whenever you get a chance to hit the subscribe for more videos. So let's just get into the unboxing and see what's under the hood. Alright guys, so inside the box we have the wall mount bracket, which is included with the TV purchase, so you do not have to actually go and buy a wall mounting system for the TV, it's already included. But in case if you're trying to place this TV on a tabletop or on a TV console, then you'll have to actually go and buy the legs for the TV, which comes in different sizes for different size TV, so make sure to buy the right one. Alright, at the back of the TV, as we're going to be wall mounting this TV, we have the two bolts at the top that we're going to be using to give it a flush look to the wall. And on the side of the TV, we got the three USB ports, which you can use for your outside pictures, or you're bringing the video files. You can use that right here, and comes with one IR blaster port for the different remote control accessories. And then we have the 4K 120 Hz port, which are the all HDMI 2.1 ports. On the right of that, we have the optical digital output, and then we have the headphone or 3.5 millimeter jack for the audio output. On the left, we had the LAN port and the antenna cable. Alright guys, so inside the wall mounting bracket accessory, we have the screws and anchors included, but these anchors are not for the drywall mounting. So if you're going to wall mount your TV on a drywall, make sure to buy the appropriate anchors, because these ones are designed for the bricks, mortar, and the concrete wall. So you can't use these one on the drywall. And these guiding labels gonna help you to put your TV properly on the wall mount, so you have to use that in the process. This is the wall mounting guide sheet that you're going to be placing on the wall in order to make sure to take proper measurements where the wall mount bracket is going to be. So make sure to use this, and also ask for help. I asked my friend to help me out on this, because without his support, like, I wouldn't be able to wall mount it properly. So we decided like how and where it's going to be, and we found where the stud is, and then we can wall mount this TV on the drywall. Besides the wall mounting accessory kit, we have the LG brand new Magic Remote that comes with the TV, and the warranty card information, and then we have the owner's manual and the IR blaster. Alright guys, now it comes to wall mounting this TV on the drywall. So I found where my stud was, so it was on the blue marking on the left side, and then I used 4 more anchors on the right side, because drywall is not as sturdy as you have the stud. So we're going to be doing it using the 6 screws. And then I placed my wall mounting bracket on the wall, and all the screws were there intact, and I used my levelers to make sure that it is leveled properly and we don't have any issues with the TV tilting left or right. And even though with that, you can still adjust this TV, because this mount can be moved. You can tilt it a little bit from the left and a little bit from the right if you have any inconsistencies while wall mounting. Alright guys, so when the wall mount bracket is on the wall, now you can pick up the TV with the help of your buddy. This is what we were doing by ourselves. We were no professional at wall mounting, but the instructions given by LG, and also there's a video that I'll put the link in the description, which is going to guide you how to do this wall mounting, but they do not wall mount it on the drywall. So if you're doing it on the drywall, make sure to buy the right anchors for the drywall mounting. Otherwise, these anchor that comes with the LG TV, these are for the bricks or for the concrete. So these are instead going to just fall inside your drywall, because drywall is not that deep. So once your TV is picked up, you have to just align with the mounting brackets, and all you have to do is push it to the wall to have that neat and clean flush look, which is just incredible. Alright guys, so now finally we have the TV mounted. Now we can go in the setup, and this is the first time I'm turning on this TV. So you have 2 options how you can set up your TV using the mobile device or the TV. So in our case, we're going to be using the TV to show you guys the setup screen. First of all, it's going to ask you about the language, country, and the time zone that you're in. so that your TV can show you the exact time. And then you're going to set up your Wi-Fi. There are some terms and conditions that you have to agree or disagree. It's up to you. And you can do it later or skip as well and directly go to the main TV screen. Then there's going to be like which devices are connected to the TV. So I have the Xbox Series X connected to the TV. So it's going to bring up that. And this is incredible with the LG OLED WebOS that it detects which device is connected. So in our case, the Xbox game console is connected and it detects it on the HDMI too. So we are good to go here. All right, guys. So the next thing is ask about the cable satellite connection, or if you have any antenna connected to a TV. I do not have any connectors, so I'm going to skip through it, but still I can use the LG channel. So I'm going to put the zip code so LG can give me those free channels. Then it's going to ask about whether your TV is wall mounted or is on the stand. In my case, it is wall mounted because really important for the sound optimization. So make sure to do the right selection. Then we have the AI functions. For this scenario right here, I'm going to use the AI Sound Pro, and I'm going to see how this TV is going to do the surround sound because it's a big living room. And also I'm going to leave the AI Picture Pro on this time, but then I'm going to go in the settings and disable the auto brightness adjustments because I don't want the TV to be adjusting the brightness depending on, how the sun is going up and down. It's a option that if you want to use, you can use, but I'm going to turn off that auto brightness feature by going to the setting. So in this case right now, I'm going to keep both the things on. That's what you pay for. It has the Alpha 9 Gen 4 processor, which is the upgraded processor. You're going to see how it performs. Then you have the LG account. If you have one, you have to sign in. I have one. I'm going to sign in later, but I'm going to skip through this right now. Right, then we have a couple of apps that comes from the setup installation if you want to install the Prime Video or the Sling live TV streaming service if you want to. And then we have the LG channels, which come free. So I'm going to keep the LG channels right now and use them as reference because I do not have any cable box or satellite connected to the TV as of now. So this completes our setup, and then we're going to go to our dashboard and see what do we have there. So as you can see, this is the live channel from LG and it is working. As soon as you hit the home on your LG Magic Remote Control, you're going to get to the home screen where you can see your trending shows, your application list, and all of your inputs showing up in a new refreshed look, which is the WebOS 6.0. And then I'm going to take you to the home dashboard where you can see all of your devices which are connected to the TV, and also the live TV, which is free from LG. So it's live IPTV. And then we have the Xbox Series X connected to the HDMI port 2. And then you have also home IoT devices. If you have any smart devices, you can sync them here. It comes with the AirPlay function, which you can use with your compatible iOS devices. Now I'm going to take you to the different picture settings and show you what do we have here. So starting from the vivid, we have standard, we got the energy saving mode, and then we have the cinema, we got sports, we got game optimizer, which is a new addition, and we're going to talk about that in details. We have the filmmaker mode, we have the expert bright and expert dark. Right now I'm in a bright room, so I'm going to use the settings for the expert bright, and then I'm going to take you to the all settings, and I'm going to turn off some energy saving features which are there, and I'm going to turn off the AI brightness adjustment. So I'm going to go to the support section and go to the energy saving where I have this the dimming that happens because of the energy saving. So I'm going to turn that off. And also right after that, I'm going to head to the general settings and do that. And before I get into more details, I have to do the software update because since the LG made this firmware update, shipped the TVs out, it's been a while. So you have to make sure that you have the latest firmware installed on your TV. So I have one available, which is 03.11.15. So I'm going to go ahead and install this firmware update to make sure that I get the best user experience out of my product. While my TV is updating to the latest firmware update, I'm going to go and turn on the auto update feature because this is going to install my updates automatically over the air whenever there's one available for this LG OLED G1 Evo. So I don't have to be going in there and manually searching for the updates and missing out on those, special or fixes, the bug fixes which LG has done, and the performance improvements. So I'm gonna have to leave this option turned on, so in case whenever there's update available, I'll have it automatically without having to worry about going and manually update my TV. Alright guys, so you can see that our TV is updated to the latest software version, which is the 03.11.15, and upon checking the updates, there's no update available because we are running the latest firmware update, and going forward the TV is going to update automatically. So after the different picture modes, now we're going to go to the sound modes, and there are a whole bunch of sound modes depending on your taste. AI Picture Pro, which is going to adjust sound automatically and adapt to your room environment, and the Game Optimizer, Music, and Cinema. So you can choose whichever fits best to your needs. Then we have the different sound outputs, from the TV output to the Bluetooth devices to the wireless speakers, the mobile device, if you want to get sound out of your cell phone through the headphones connected to it. We have the HDMI ARC line output. Then we have the wired headphones, Bluetooth headphones. You can use the Bluetooth headphones, and also you can use the TV speakers as well. So this is an incredible option. Let's say your spouse wants to use the Bluetooth and then you want to hear the audio from the TV. You can do that, and it's just amazing feature. So all of the connection that you have plus the TV speakers, you can utilize both. Let's say your TV is connected to a soundbar, you can still get the audio out of your TV and plus soundbar. Alright guys, now we're going to go to the Game Optimizer, which is the brand new addition in the LG OLED 2021 models, and we are looking at the LG OLED G1 Evo panel, and we're going to go to the Game Optimizer settings and make sure that it is powered on so you can take advantage out of your capable devices. And we have the picture modes where we have the different genres. We have the standard mode, we have the first person shooter FPS, we have the role playing, and we have the RTS, the real time strategy. So depending on different type of games that you're playing, you can adjust your settings. If you want to see the enemies in the dark, you're going to be on FPS. If you want that cinematic look on your screen, you're going to go to the RPG. If you want your blacks to be in more details, you're going to go to the RTS. Your black stabilizer is going to be on 13 on the real-time strategy. That's going to make you see clearly in the dark scenes. So there are different modes for different type of people doing different type of gaming, so it satisfies all those gaming needs that you have. Apart from that, we have the feature like the reduced blue light. If you are playing for extended hours, you want that less eye strain, you can turn on this feature to have that warmer image that you can have. And then we have the prevent input lag. So that gives you for the win if you want to go out there, play with your friends, those Warzone or those games where the latency matters a lot. You can switch to the boost mode, and then you can perform, or outperform, your enemies. So this is really important feature in the Game Optimizer. So then we have the sound adjustments that you can do depending on what kind of game are you playing, and you can do the AI game sound. Then we have the VRR G-Sync, as we said, that is enabled, so you can take advantage of your gaming PCs, you can connect to it. And also if you have the AMD FreeSync enabled graphic cards like from AMD RX series, you can get the advantage of that as well. So it has all the gaming features that you actually need from a gaming TV. So that's where we cover the Game Optimizer. It is just incredible, and make sure to, when it comes to gaming, you know that LG doesn't disappoint, and also that's the case with the 2021 LG OLED G1 Evo model. We have the best gaming experience that you can get out of the TV with the G-Sync FreeSync support that can be utilized on your next-gen gaming consoles like Xbox Series X, and also you can use it with your gaming PCs if you have the RTX 3080 series or 3090 and other gaming cards which can support the HDMI 2.1 out there. Also the AMD FreeSync if you have the AMD RX series card, which can do the FreeSync HDMI 2.1. So with that, guys, this TV has been loaded with a lot of features, and I wanted to take my time to do all the testing. So I have videos coming up as well. So make sure to hit the subscribe button for the upcoming videos. And I'm going to be testing the brightness, whole bunch of other testing and comparison with the other TVs. So if you're interested in that kind of content, make sure to hit the like on this video, hit subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video uploaded. So thank you so much for watching this video today, guys. Stay tuned for more and more, because this video took a lot of time because I had to get this wall mounted. So sorry for the delay, and I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, peace out.